Hello YouTube, this is my antique brass 1984 Casablanca Victorian Gallery Edition ceiling fan. It is dated April 11th, 1984, and it was the 586th fan made that day. Sorry if you can't see the tag, it's kind of a weird angle, but there it is. Now, unfortunately, after this video, I gotta take this back down and put that back up. But I put it up for the video, and I'll be demonstrating it with the W11 here. Now, I don't have the screws to fully screw that in, nor do I want to tuck the wires in just for this video. So I just have the IntelliTouch hanging like that. So we'll get started, and I'll start off with demo mode here. Now you may be able to tell a few of the blades are bent, and as a result it does wobble a little bit, but it's fine. But it looks gorgeous. I'm gonna come over here. And there's demo mode. So I'm gonna come back over here. And there we go. So now I'm going to show it on the factory settings. So we'll start off with the light. And so since this is an RMM1 board, the light will come on as soon as I turn the power on. So here it is at full brightness. I'll now turn it on the lowest brightness. There we go. And even on low, I think this looks really good. So I will show you the rest of the light settings. There's 10 settings. And there we go. So now for the fan, you will start it off on speed 1. Now, when I got this fan, there was a little bit of bearing problems, but with it being a K55, I ran it for about an hour, and the bearings have since quieted down quite a bit, so they're really no longer a problem. The only issue at this point is the bent blades, which I'll have to bend back at some point. Now, I don't have this on a recall clip because, like I said, I'm only going to have this fan up for the video, and then after this, I'm going to take it back down. So before you go whine in the comments about it not being on a recall clip, that's why. I'm not saying I would have it on a recall clip otherwise, but anyways, speed 2. Speed 2, go speed 3. Speeds 1 and 2 are more aesthetic. I like speed 3 for a nice little low speed. That's just me. Also, if you haven't noticed already, ignore how the hatch just isn't on all the way. I don't have a stubby screwdriver, so that's why. Speed 4. And also, sorry if you hear clanking whenever I change the speeds. That's just the IntelliTouch hitting the wall. Speed 5. I like speed 4 as like a nice little medium-ish speed. Same with speed 5. They both blow a decent amount of air. And we'll put this thing on speed 6. It blows a crap ton of air. It does wobble a very slight amount. I don't know if you could even see it on camera, but I'll come over here. All right, let's go turn the light on. All right, we'll shut the fan off and I'll show you reverse. So I'm gonna reverse it. And then after reverse, I'll do a 0 to high. And then I'll do a spin down. So we'll start off on speed 1. I'm not gonna run the speeds on reverse for as long as I did on forward, just because they're relatively the same thing, just going the other way. So I already know that some people in the comments are going to probably go, that's not the same thing, but I don't care. And we'll go speed 2. Three. 4. 5. And the most awaited speed 6. Even on reverse, I feel a really nice breeze on speed 6 here. Come back this way. I'm trying not to show my bed because I got crap all over it, but this is a nice breeze. I could sleep with this thing on speed 6 on reverse. All right. I'll turn the light on real quick. And then I'll reverse it back. And then, here we go. Now we'll do 0 to high. Awesome. Ow. Tripped over that. Alright. We'll shut it off and we'll do a spin down. I'm gonna come stand over here. I think this fan looks really good in here. I really like the way it looks, but unfortunately, my parents think otherwise, so this will not be staying. However, one day I do hope to put in a white Panama or something. Something along the lines. I wouldn't mind. But yeah, the spin down on this isn't very long, so after this video ends, I'm probably going to unfortunately take this down, and then I'm probably going to go get lunch. I don't know if you can tell, but the hatch isn't on all the way because, again, like, I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I do not have a stubby screwdriver, so I would pan down and show my bed, but I'd really rather not because of how much of a mess it is. It's a disaster. And there we go. Thank you for watching, and there's really nothing else to cover unless you want to see White Minder and all that other stuff. I guess I could show you the other stuff. Where's that switch plate? Oh, it's right here. Hold on. So there's a light minder. Since this is RM1, there's only really light minder and what is it? Home safe, I think. So light minder is fan light. I need to remember the. So supposedly this is on light minder now, so the light will turn off in like 2 hours. So I'm pretty sure you can't even turn the light off. Oh, you can. Okay. So I think no matter what, when you turn the light minder on, whenever you turn the light on, it'll stay on for 2 hours until you turn the power off and reset it. So if I do that, that should reset it. And then there's home safe, which is light fan. So we'll do. Interesting. So home safe, what that does is it just cycles the fan and lights through random set. I think actually it might just be the light that it cycles through randomly. So if you're not home, it'll just do that and make it look like someone is home. But anyways, now there's nothing else to show. I'm gonna throw that back over there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and that's it.